Hello, Tiger Nation. This is Breckenridge County High School Principal Adam Cox here with you for this morning's Tiger update. This is Wednesday, January the 22nd, 2020. Hope everyone is having a wonderful week. This is a short 4-day week here at the high school, and we've gotten off to a good start. This is Homecoming Spirit Week, and we've had a lot of students dressed up and showing their excitement for this week's homecoming. I'd like to congratulate our Lady Tigers for defeating North Bullitt here at Breck County High School on a Tuesday night and January 21st, and also like to congratulate our Fighting Tiger basketball team for defeating Apollo last night on the road. I'd like to wish them good luck this weekend, as we will be having our homecoming ball game and homecoming festivities on Friday night, January the 24th. Our Lady Tigers will open that night up at 5:30 as they will be taking on the Grayson County Cougars. Our Fighting Tigers will then play Grayson County at 7 o'clock, and our homecoming festivities will be in between those games at approximately 6:45. There will be a pep rally at the conclusion of Friday, the school day. That'll be at the end of the day, as we will recognize our homecoming court, and then our Lady Tigers and Fighting Tiger basketball teams, wishing them good luck for this upcoming ball game. Our Fighting Tigers will be back in action on Saturday night, the 25th. They'll be taking on Bullitt East. The JV game will start at 4 o'clock, and our Fighting Tiger varsity team will take action at 5:30. We will be honoring our 1995 state champions in between those two ball games. This is the 25th anniversary of that miraculous event that happened here in our community, so we want to show our appreciation for them and recognize them on Saturday the 25th. We will also be having a homecoming dance Saturday night, the 25th, from 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock. And tickets are on sale here at the school during lunch, and those are $5 to attend. It is a semi-formal event, and there's no date required. I'd like to wish our academic team good luck this weekend, as they will be competing in the District Governors Cup. This weekend you'll have the written assessment and the quick recall events taking place, so I'd like to wish them good luck. On Wednesday, the 22nd, that's tonight, we will be inducting our new members of the National Honor Society. That takes place at 5 o'clock in the auditorium. Then next week we will be, our boys will be in action on Tuesday night, the 28th, as they'll be hosting Christian Academy here at the high school. And then our Lady Tigers and Fighting Tigers will be on the road on Friday, the 31st, as they'll be traveling to district rival Meade County for that big rival matchup. Game times are 5:30 and 7. And that also like to wish our dance team good luck this weekend. They will be competing on Sunday, January 26th. That'll be in the regional tournament. That is their regional competition. That is at Meade County High School, and that will be at 11:30 on Sunday, January 26th. And that concludes this weekly update of our Tiger Minute and the things that are going on here at the high school. I believe you just how we start every day here at the high school. Everyone work really hard. Have a great day and be a champion.